Alright y'all, it's your boy NIGELUNOTV, and without further ado, we back with another banger video. You know what I'm saying? Banger. Today we gonna be reviewing my nigga Polo G dreads. You know what I'm saying? We gonna be doing his dreads. We gonna be talking about how he went from the freeform dread look to how he got the traditional neat looking dreadlocks. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, make sure y'all hit that like, comment, and subscribe button so I can go ahead and know what type of videos I should make next regarding dreadlock activities. Alright, we gonna go and jump into it. Check it out. Peak game. My nigga Polo G, he got the freeform dreads. You know, it's basically when you let your afro, your hair do its own thing and it turn into dreadlocks on its own with low maintenance. You don't maintain it in any type of way, in any type of manner. And let's just go ahead and make this clear. You want to get dreads like Polo G, you have to have 4B, 4C hair type. It's mandatory. It ain't no way around it. If you don't got the hair type, it ain't happening, my guy. It ain't happening. I hate to say it. But as you can see in this next picture right here, my nigga hair right here is spiked out some more. This nigga done went Super Saiyan 2. He going crazy. Real talk. But yo, we gonna go ahead and go on to the next picture. So y'all peep game. Polo G hair is officially locked up. They are officially dreaded now.
He ain't lying.
Yes, sir. We in there. So peep game. His hair is no longer in the freeform stage. It's no longer trying to have a group hug. They no longer trying to have big old convention centers. Like, real talk. They are separate. They doing their own thing. Everybody got their own room, their house on top of this main head, bro. Yes, sir. The family and friends got their own house in this man head. Yes, sir. So they separate.
Shut your stupid ass up.
And you know, he's somewhat trying to maintain it and keep it right. Yes, sir. So as y'all boys and girls can see, this nigga Polo G dreads is eyebrow length now, which means that his locks has officially matured. No more baby shit. No more. None of that. They don't need diapers. They don't need none of that. Real talk, real spill. This shit done grew. And as you can see, like, they actually coming out real nice though. They kind of like medium size. He don't got like dreads that's not too small, not too thick. You know, they just, you know, alright, they just a decent size, like, which is good. It's not a bad thing. Like, real tight. In this picture right here though, check this out. My boy back rocking with the headband. You see how full of his hair getting? Like, he just got that medium lock size. Oh, lemon head ass boy, big chin ass boy, big nose ass boy. Now let me chill out though. But yeah, let's go ahead and go to the next picture. So alright, check this out. My nigga Polo G, he's switching it up. He doing something different with his hair. He got the one ponytail. And you starting to see a lot of more people doing this hairstyle right here with their dreadlocks because they see him doing it. And not only that, you also see my boy Pontiac made DDG do his hairstyle with his dreads too. And whether you know it or not, it's pretty dope. If you can pull it off and you don't got a weird shaped head, like you don't got no nugget head, no melon head or nothing like that, you good. You can pull it off, you know what I'm saying? You keep a straight cut and shit like that, you good. As you can see, he's starting to maintain his locks a little bit more. And you know, they looking neat, and it's working out for him. It's working out for Polo G. So peep game. Polo G dreads has reached the island now. Like, his shit is by his eyeballs now. My nigga can shake his shit without his head hurting. He can't get a headache no more. He can go waka, bang.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now let me stop. But like his shit can really just shake now. He can shake it without getting a headache. And you know, just peep it. Like, they just looking more fuller. And like, they just getting thicker over time. Like, he just really high maintenance with his hair, which is good, bro. Y'all, it's safe to say that this main Polo G done hit a year and some months on his dreadlocks. Look at the growth. Once again, it's by the eye, and he's rocking the classic, iconic one ponytail style that he got going. But yeah, he done hit like at least a year and some months right now. So when it's by the island, yeah, you got them bangs type shit, and hey, you in there. So as you can see, man, Polo G is back with the fresh cut, man. Whoever his barber is, I need to go to him. I need to find him. I ain't dissing my barber, nothing. That nigga nice too. But these celebrity barbers and shit like that, they on the next level. They on God tier level when it comes to these haircuts. Like they up there. It's class, my nigga. Real talk. But as you can see, my nigga hair, Polo G, his hair is looking way neat. Well kept and well maintained. You can see this nigga's scalp. He got it pinned up and he got it going backwards. And it's just way longer. This shit damn near getting close to his neck. It's getting close to his neck. Which means, hey, he almost around that 2-year mark, maybe. 2 years, maybe about almost at 2, maybe, I don't know, 2 years. So check this out, y'all. Polo G has officially got one of my favorite go-to styles when I go get my retwist. And if y'all don't know this, the 2-strand twist style is like one of the most convenient dread hairstyles ever. It's not too hard or heavy on your head like it is when you get your hair braided back. And also, fun fact, when you get your hair braided back, it also makes your hairline recede. So just letting y'all know that. So if y'all don't care about your hairline, hey, do y'all get the braids going back. But I'm gonna stick to my my 2-strand twist, cause like that's what I like, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and go to the next picture. So y'all check this out. Y'all can't sit here and act like this hairstyle dude got ain't hard, bro. Look at this. If y'all don't know what hairstyle this is the D'Angelo Russell braids. I don't know the proper name for these braids or anything like that, but we gonna call it the D'Angelo Russell braids because that's the nigga I seen with it first. That's the nigga that made these braids go famous. You know what I'm saying? That's what made them, be popping like that. So as you can see, Polo G, he rocking it. He got the dope fire haircut and his dreads looking neat. You can see his scalp and his dreads are way longer. Them shits by his cheekbone now, like real talk. I forgot to mention that in the other picture, but it is what it is. We here now, so check it, man. Keep it short and simple. If y'all want dreads like Polo G, right? You have to do is take care of your hair. Take care of your dreads. Which means all you gotta do is maintain it. Make sure it's clean. Get it done occasionally. Don't wash it as often, because if you wash it as often, you gon' make your hairstyle growing. And that's pretty much it to it. Just maintain your hair, keep it clean, straight, well maintained, and that's it, bro. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Simple. If y'all enjoyed the video, let me know in the comment section on who you want me to do a dreadlock review on and show you how to get they dreads or whatever in the comment section. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And that's it. I'm out.